Yeah, it's me again with another delivery as I get paid to deliver. I just left home. I'm pulling up to the station now. I have a 5:45 block, 4 hours for $82, and I have 49 package today and 49 stop. Now today's topic, I'm not gonna waste y'all time. We're gonna jump right into today's topic. If you're doing Amazon Flex right now and you plan to still doing it to the end of 2026, this video save you a lot of frustration and a lot of money. Most drivers quit Amazon Flex not because Amazon Flex is bad, but because they weren't prepared for Amazon Flex. Also in today's vlog, I will explain you how to avoid burnt out. Point 1, Flex is not a job, it's a business. What most drivers don't understand, you are not an employee, guys, okay? You are self-employed, okay? So this is like you running your own business, all right? So you don't get no gas reimbursement because you're a self-contract. You don't get no benefits, so you would have to get your own medical and stuff like that if anything happened to you, all right? And you also have to remember that the hours are not guaranteed, because Amazon Flex is an app where you have to tap the app and try to schedule a block each and every day if you plan to work every day, whether it's full-time or part-time. So if you plan to do part-time, you could schedule one block. You could also work 8 hours a day unless it's Christmas time or prime time, then Amazon would put it up to 10 hours. The drivers who quit, they think hourly. Not every block is worth taking. And when I say not every block is worth taking, I'm looking at the pay. Like me, I told y'all in some of the videos that I usually take $90 plus a block because I usually only do one block a day. But now that I'm doing the content and the vlogs, sometimes I do 2 blocks for the time being, okay? But I cannot tell you what block to take from what block not to take. You should know if that block is worth your time, if it's worth the profit and everything, okay? Sometimes canceling is smarter than driving also, all right? You might say you got bad weather, okay? And then you're still trying to drive for, let's say, a 3-hour block for $54. No, you could just go ahead and cancel it. When the weather passes, you try get another block. Simple as that. Okay, my point number 3 is gas will eat you alive if you don't track it, okay? So you want to track your gas. That's your number 1 expense. And most drivers don't calculate true hour pay after gas. All right, so you want to track your mileage, you want to track your gas, know the real profit per block. That's very important, all right? Amazon pays you gross, your car collects the real bills, all right? I hope y'all got this one. Amazon pays you gross, but your car collects the real bills, because without that car, you can't make that money to pay that bill, right? So in other words, your car is your real boss, people, all right? Without your car, you cannot make money. And then you have why some drivers actually win with Amazon Flex, all right? And the reason why some drivers win, because they pick smart blocks, they track the expense, they don't rush, and they know when to log off. Also, number 1 thing, they don't complain, they optimize, all right? That's very important, okay? Amazon Flex can be very stressful sometimes. Simple, the difference is how you play it. Again, yes, we know it's stressful, but guess what? We gotta shake it off. Whatever we encounter, just dust it off and keep moving. What I do sometimes, if I having a rough day or encounter anything, I pull aside, I say a little prayer, and I say everything is gonna be all right, dust it off, and I back to delivering my packages. Thank you for all the love and support everyone has been showing me on my YouTube channel so far. I really appreciate each and every one. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification for the next video. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next delivery.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist.